Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and today we're going to be making easy 4-ingredient mixed berry cake. For that I'm going to need about 1.5 sticks of butter. We're probably not going to use it all, but you'll see why we need so much in a little bit. 2 cans of berry medley pie filling or something like it, to your choice, strawberry, whatever you want. 2 containers of preferably mixed berry cream cheese. Once again, you can probably use plain, but why use plain when you can use mixed berry? And 2 packs, if you can't find the raspberry Jiff like I couldn't, of an instant muffin or cake type. Well, I'm a little skeptical about this, but I guess all we can do is make it and find out. So let's go. And assembly is simple according to our recipe. I'm going to be putting in 2 cans of mixed berry pie mix. Spreading it over the bottom. That's a nice layer on the bottom. Take our cream cheese and start putting little dollops of it over that. When you have the cream cheese laid out, try to smooth it around a little. This definitely won't be easy. Once you've got that spread out as well as you can, you're going to be taking your mixes and evenly dumping them over the top of our cream cheese berry mixture. And last but not least, going to slice a stick of butter, roughly about that thick, and start layering it over the top of our cake. And once that is all put together with the butter, it is going to go into a preheated oven of 350 for the next 40 to 45 minutes. Well, mine was in the oven for about almost 50 minutes. Might be the elevation change, Sometimes there's a few factors on why it takes a little longer to cook things. But here it is, all bubbly and golden brown, and we're going to let that reach a nice room temperature before trying it out. Alright, our blueberry cheesecake, cobbler-esque cake, is cooled down enough. And it is time to try it out. So let's kick it. Well, I'm going to have to admit I'm pleasantly surprised with my 4-ingredient mixed berry cake. Although, I would personally call it a cobbler over a cake. Because, well, cake to me is like cakey all the way through, and this is almost in layers. Because the blueberry stayed separate from the cornbread cake mix we put in, or muffin mix, I'm sorry. And then it's like the cream cheese stayed its own layer and gave it a cheesecake kind of element. And I've figured out that it tastes really good cold or hot at this point. So there's a lot of versatility in this. You can always put other flavors of pie filling. You can always put plain cream cheese. Yeah, I don't even know if there would be a difference if I found the raspberry Jiff instead of the muffin mixes I found. Either way, this turned out pretty awesome for being easy. Just goes to show you not everything that's tasty is complicated sometimes. Anyways, you like what you saw, don't like what you saw, you've made something similar, you know what to do. Leave me a like, leave me a comment about it. We will be back in the next video.